All right, folks, we're gonna look at the second thing that I wanted to demo with that Windows demo. And basically it's fully automated request fulfillment coupled with automated incident management. And you got to be careful when you automate the incident ticket process, because you might end up with a bunch of incident tickets that have to be managed. So the first thing that we're going to start with is we're going to go log into our Ansible automation platform. And we're going to break a job. And actually, I'll show you how I'm going to pick the job that we're going to break. Let's see, Windows AWS. If I look at the visualizer, so the job that we want to break is the Windows AWS machine instance create. And the reason we want to break that one is that's the one that I've wired up with the incident create process, followed by the request update process. And I could do this for every single step in this workflow. It made the diagram a little busy. And so I figured just one example and people will get the idea. One thing I want to say is the red line is on failure. So if you look in the upper left-hand corner, that means if this job fails, then do this. And then this blue line means always do that, because basically the workflow is not going to finish completely. And we've got that open request ticket out there that's just sitting there with no information in it. So we don't want to leave that orphaned. So then basically what's going to happen, we're going to go break this job template. We'll log into ServiceNow and we'll kick off the service catalog request for the Windows demo environment. And then when it gets here, this will fail, and then we'll create an incident ticket. And then we'll also basically status the request. So that's what should happen. So now let's go back to templates. We're going to find the right template. This one. And so the way I'm going to break this is I'm just going to get rid of the O at the end of VPC name, and then I'll save that. And that should cause it to fail. So now let's go in here and we go to service catalog. We grab the demo for Windows. We click that. There's our new ticket that needs to get approved. Rules. I'm going to approve it. And now it should start kicking off the job. Let's go to the jobs area, and we can see that the create is running. It's doing the VPC create. We'll just watch this on the visualizer. So the VPC create is pretty quick. And then we're going to execute this machine instance, and it's going to fail because it doesn't have the same value for that VPC variable. So basically it's already failed. It's creating the incident ticket. Incident ticket's done, and now we're statusing the original request. Okay, so now let's go back in here and we're going to click on this ticket. And we can see, hey, look, there's the job ID. And then, something broke. Here's the ServiceNow incident ticket number. Here's the Ansible job ID. Here's the message. This should look familiar to you if you've ever had an Ansible message. This is basically just the error that comes out. And now that's in the request. But then let's take this incident number. Now let's go to incident. So it's down at the bottom right here. Okay, and there's our short description. And then here's that same error message. And notice we've got the request number, so we know. So we've got the incident ticket tied to the request. We got the request tied to the incident. Everything's tied to the job ID. Actually, one other thing I wanted to show you. This is, let's see, my approvals. I just want to basically see that this request that came in that didn't get fulfilled and isn't going to get fulfilled is now in a closed incomplete status. So that just means, hey, we kicked this off. It got approved. We had an error. We created an incident ticket. We couldn't go any further, so we just closed the ticket as incomplete. Anyhow, so that is fully automated request fulfillment minus the approval step with automated incident management, meaning we've got the incident tickets that are being generated, and the incident management process can drive your problem management process. That's it. Have a good day.